master any skill, sabi nila, you need 3H. What are the 3H? What do you think? Number one, head. Yes, you need mental knowledge, you need the right mindset. What is the next one? Heart. Kasi if the heart is not in the right place, patay na. The intention should be good. And lastly, the hands. Because pag walang action step, all mind lang, all mental lang, walang action step, it will not be executed. That's why this is a framework of how to get things done. Why do you think business fail? They don't have customers. You're right, diba? They have poor product, poor execution, bad experience. So hindi bumabalik. What do you think is the most important activity in your Go for Gold journey? Clap your hands if you sell prospecting. Yes! Because prospecting is the most important activity. Pag walang prospecting, wala lahat. Walang presentation, there is nothing to work with. So why do you think business succeed? If they have a very good prospecting model. Because if you have a customer in place, then at least you have something to work with. I need you to appreciate what is the value of a customer and how expensive it is to get that customer. Why is this important? Because we want to know na itong customer na to that comes here, he's 32 years old, he's starting a company, okay, spot on, he will be my customer for the next 40 years. To make it easier, I want you to value your customer like French fries. Di ba pag kumain tayo ng French fries, parang every single French fries counts? Kahit mahulog pa sa bag ng McDonald's, kukunin pa natin, kakainin natin, di ba? At pag mahulog pa sa table, hindi, sayang to. Hindi ko makakawalan tong French fries. So treat your customers like French fries. Pag meron tayong unpleasant customer interaction, we tend to shy away and it goes snowball. After sales is where you win the client back, where you get a referral, where you get a word of mouth. That's why after sales is very important. Each department, I want you to have a mental model that says, ano bang pwedeng gawin ng department ko to make this experience pleasant? In fact, in real estate, if a customer complains and come to us for complaints, automatically in your mind you said, it's a touch point. How can I turn this customer complaint into a pleasurable experience so I gain him back? Sometimes kasi tayo, pag meron tayong unpleasant customer interaction, we tend to shy away and it goes snowball. But the right thing to do is, opportunity to, you go forward. How can I win this client over? You know, Brian Chesky of Airbnb did this flawlessly. Sabi niya, sa lahat ng host niya, there are communication points in Airbnb. First, pag nag-book ako ng Airbnb, I want the first message. I want a confirmation that, hey, your room is confirmed. I see you, I acknowledge you. Maybe if it's like a few weeks away, another message out of nowhere. Hey, just want to let you know, we're looking forward to receiving you in 2 weeks. Your room is booked. Don't worry, it's all reserved. How do you feel? About relief. Then one day before arrival, another email comes and say, hey, I look forward to receiving you tomorrow. Now there's more details now. Are you feeling good if you're the customer? Nararamdaman nyo ba na inaasikaso kayo? Customer obsession. And lastly, before checkout, you do a reminder na, hey, I want to give the other person an experience, same as yours. Please check out by 11:30 or 12. After 2 days, hey, I really appreciate you. Everything went well with the next guest. And I really look forward to seeing you again. Here's the voucher. If you come back again, please, I give you a 10% discount or I give you a free coffee. So my lesson there is, kulang tayo in our culture. And if you can do it as much as Airbnb, you will make your customers feel really, really happy. You will allow your customers to be connected to you. So first level of all sales journey is awareness. I use the AIDA model. What does that mean? First is you create awareness. Diba? In real estate, this is where we create events, we create advertisements, we do collaborations with Lexus. For the banks, what I am not seeing is small pocket events sa branches, where the branches can host after 4 o'clock some small event. You will allow your customers to be connected to you. So first level of all sales journey is awareness. During an awareness exercise, your goal is not to close yet. Not yet. Your goal is to get inquiry. Your goal is to get interest. In real estate, this is where we do the presentation of the property. Diba? Slowly, we try to connect, how is this property gonna benefit you? So number 2, you create awareness para magkaroon sila ng interest. They say, okay, I'm feeling good working with BPI. The experience was good. Parking was easy. I was welcomed well to the branch, to the event. Now I'm listening to the talk. What is BPI doing at this point? You're giving. You're giving information, you're giving. The buyer understand the benefit of your product, diba? Presentation stage ang tawag dito. In real estate, this is where we do the presentation of the property, diba? Slowly, we try to connect, how is this property gonna benefit you? Third stage is desire. This is where may connection na. This is where the client is now asking, uy, ano ba yung property na yan? Saan ba yan? Magkano ba yan? How much is my down payment? How much is my monthly? In banking terms, maybe this is where it comes in na, uy, parang okay if I borrow this amount, I can grow another branch and I only have to pay 80,000 a month, but I can make 150,000 a month expanding this branch. So now meron ng desire yung client.